What is up? Welcome back to POV Pottery. You read the description. Today is all about making the cylinder pinch pot. Here's an example of a finished cylinder pinch pot. It is one of the most technical assignments that I have for my students. It is way more difficult than it seems to get a 5-inch cylinder that has vertical sides with a pinch pot and coil. It's what we're going to do today. All of the previous tips and tricks on the half sphere pinch pot still carry over to the cylinder pinch pot. You want to have that moisture management. You're going to use the thumb and slide and compress technique. But adding to that, we're going to tack on a thumb hook technique to open up the bottom, which I'll show you guys. And we're also going to use the wooden rib to keep the walls straight. All right, so let's get started.
It's going down. It's going down.
You were best under pressure.
You will not be able to stay home, brother. You will not be able to plug in, turn on, or drop out.